guys, welcome to my channel. My name's 𝑂𝑚𝑛𝑒𝑦𝑎'𝑠. This is 𝑂𝑚𝑛𝑒𝑦𝑎'𝑠 wish. I was looking through my shit, trying to get things ready because, you know, fall and stuff. I don't have any fall stuff. What I did with it, I don't know. So I ordered this plate. The plate did not come with a blue film on it, which makes me a little nervous that it didn't do that. I don't know why. It's from VividDipNails. But yeah, didn't have a film on it, and they sent these little stickers that you would, you know, put on your nail and then dab with nail polish on a sponge. They seem to look like they would be leopard spots. It's very hard to see. It's even hard to see in real life, never mind on the camera. It's just a sample. But I can't find any fall shit. I thought I had fall. It's a stupid ring light. But it's a bunch of leaves. That's what I liked about it. Leaves and some apples. This is the only thing that's got some corn. But on this, I think these are little foxes, fox faces. It looks like cannabis. Could be, I don't know. I never know how many. Maple leaf kind of looks like a cannabis leaf. This does look like a cannabis leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are maple. But I like leaves. I'm just fine with leaves. I don't need a whole bunch of other stuff. But yeah, I'm like, where the hell is all my fall stuff? Like fall decal stuff. No, can't find nothing. Can't find nothing. So there's that. I got their the things that go, the nail guards. It's like instead of a peel-off base coat, you just put it on. I might have showed it in a video a long time ago. But I went and I ordered some of the nails, but I'm really not... I tried to do a video with them, but I couldn't size them correctly to the shape of my cuticle things. And you could see like my nail underneath, and I'm not going to try to cut off... My nails are not dirty. I got nail polish still on because I used peel-off base coat, and I peeled them off. So I got these 2 sets. I think it was Cheryl Simone that did it, and I used her coupon code. I'll link her down below. She does Dip-9. She does the best color blocking. She doesn't use tape or nothing. She's just like boom, 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 boom. The way she sticks her fingers in there. I got this and this from what the hell's the name of the place? It'll come to me. You've probably seen Girly Nails 66. She uses a saving tray, everything that they have. I think she's an ambassador or something for them. I just got the glitter press, and I got it. This is called Cookies and Cream, and it just kind of looks like cement, and it matches my thing here on my desk and the finger stand, which will put your finger up or down, whatever way. I wanted to see if I could go like this, but my fingers are so short. I can't. That's what I was wanting to do, so I can actually see. But it doesn't work for me. I mean, it works this way, but I can't hold it in my hand. And then I got, which way should I go? I got a lot of dips to my right and a box to my left. Let me get into the box. It's from LuvNailz. This is it. Close stuff out. Going. Okay, I'm back. I got this open. This is a mini skibber bit. I did my daughter's nails, and after I cleaned my bits, I had a small bit similar to this, but it was a little bit more wider at the tip. It was more looking like a football. And I put them in alcohol, and I corked it overnight. And the next day I pulled out 2 bits, and I was like, oh, I guess there was 3 bits in there. And I looked and I looked and I looked. I couldn't see a bit. So then I went and dumped the alcohol. Clink! I hear the fucking bit go down the drain. I'm like, shit. So I got this. She was having a Labor Day sale, so I took advantage. This was $12.75. Yeah, mini skibber bit. Diamond mini skibber bit. So she does sell, what do you call it? Some, like, big brands. So you can find them on her website. I'll link her down below. I bought them from her before. I got these because I have these in gold. They always come in those little round things that has like some little bits of bling in it, and then it has like the gold circles and stuff, but I can never find silver, and I like silver more. So I got these large metal frames. That's what they're called. There's oval, circle, triangle, crosses, and I got some stars. Some of them are just looks like a regular star. Some is that 4-pointed star. So, yeah, bunch of stars. I got this. It says ghost pattern. Profiles backstage. And so this is just one of those things that you would just like remove the parts that you want. You can either do it inverted or the opposite way where all these little pieces come out. You put it on your nail and then you can sponge on the polish or the gel, and the print is left behind. I like things like that. And then I got these snowflakes. I like that there's like some like green and taupe. That says something right there. Something snowflake. I don't know. But they're like in gray, in different shades like that. Green, gray. Almost like a nudish shade. There's that. And I got 2 more of my favorite glitter. The white gold. I love this. I'm just going to take this and make a dip out of it. So I got 2 of those. Light gold, and with the sale these are only $2.96. And I got soft copper. Take a look. I don't have this one. It's so fine. I love it. It's gorgeous. I don't know if you can, the twinkling is coming across, but it goes everywhere. Crap. A whole bunch of it came out on the rim here. Hold on, let me clean this up. Okay, this one's called Total Eclipse. Fucking hand is killing me. Opening stuff is getting harder and harder. Look at that. That's beautiful. I think I already have this too. That's alright. Look at all that. Damn it. Can you see the sparkles over there? This one I have iced out and I've used it. It's very pretty. I'm not going to open it because it's going to go everywhere. But it's basically white with some silver in it and amazing hollow that goes everywhere. And I think I already have this one too, Prism X. But these are nice. You can just put it in a little pot bigger than this and add a little bit of clear acrylic. You really don't even have to add clear acrylic. You can just sprinkle it over. So I got some more stuff. And this is a free sample. It's called Glitter Gift. It glows. Whatever this is, it glows. I don't know, it's hard to see. It's very autumn looking. It's got an autumnal look to it. It's pretty. So there's that. That was everything that I got from that place. Let me move this out of the way and we'll get into the dips. Okay, these are the 3 from the Sparkle & Co bag. It also came with a Solidify, an activator. This one is called Another Sunset Photo. It was safari themed. That's it. That's pretty. Because I only get the $29.99 one now, I only get 3 dips in a liquid. I don't get the nail polish anymore. And then there's this one, Goddess of the Grasslands, which is gorgeous. You know by default I'm gonna love that one. I still got the stupid sequence bag. I didn't need that. It's shit like that I don't want. I'd rather get another dip. So I have to go back because they have 2 grays that I want. That was like in the I Want It All bag. And this one is called hashtag Ferociously Fierce. It's gold with black glitter. Kind of not wanting to, what do you call it? Focus. So that was the Sparkle & Co. I gotta figure out, I don't know. I want to see I don't care about the theme. I want to see the sneak peek of, the whatchamacallits. What they are so I can skip if I want to, if that makes sense. Just trying to get these because I did order some. I found another menu. The whole time I was working in a different menu. But shopping from a different menu. There's like a secret menu, then an exclusively secret menu. I don't know. Anyways, why am I trying to get all these? Oh my god, I'm such a hot mess. Glamping. No. This is glamping. It's kind of like a grade glitter. A grade green. Or a green gray. There's nothing special in there. My swatching skills suck because I use MIPA. Those crappy liquids to swatch with. And nope, that's not it. Oh god, I am such a hot mess. Such a hot mess. Hold on. Okay. So I ordered this one. It's called Center Sage. Center Sage. Yeah, I said that right. It looked prettier. I mean, it's green. I like it. But it looked different on the site. So, yeah, there's that. And then I ordered Emerald Envy. This is very rough. Very chunky glitter. Not really a big fan. And then I ordered some creams, flats, solids, whatever they're called. This one is Brown Eyed Girl. It's just brown. I think it's very pretty. I like these types of shades. Browns, grays. Taupe Treasure. This one's pretty. I don't need to open it. I mean, you can see it just gets a little bit darker. Sandcastle, which looks similar, but they're different. One's got a little bit more peach in it. Stormy Skies. This one I think changes temperature. Like if it gets warm or cold, it turns to a lighter gray. That was a free gift. And we got rose gold. This one's actually pretty. Wasn't hard to get it on the stick or anything. And then there was this free gift called Oopsie 50. Light blue with some shimmery hollow glitter stuff in it. So that is all that for the Sparkle & Co. And then I've got Panda Dips. This one is called Antique Lace. This stuff isn't in it. I don't even know if it's showing up, but some of the glitter from another one got on it. It's just a solid. And we got Caffeine Queen, which is gorgeous. It's got a little bit of, it's got shimmer, or like very fine glitter to it. It's kind of like in the pinky red family. It's very pretty. I like their jars. I like their stuff. And then I got, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Why am I drawing a blanket? My brain's just like, not gonna work, not gonna work. That would be easier if I swatched everything before. No Fig Deal. Why? What the hell? No, this is the wrong stick. Oh my god, this is no Fig Deal. It's a glittery one. Fine glitter. It's like a blackened purple berry thing. There's no black in it, but that's just like the kind of glitter it is. It's like a dark purple. It shifts. Very pretty. It's definitely fig color. Don't get tied down, which is like a silvery gray. That's it. I think that's very pretty. Don't worry, I will be doing videos soon with actually using stuff. This is Garden Party. It's just a green. I know if it's green, I gotta buy it, so. But green can be used year round. Because if it's not part of a holiday, it's just in nature. Autumn Days. This one has a lot of glitter in it. I don't know if anything's showing up on camera. It's not super chunky, but there's some pieces in there. But it's pretty. And that is it. So now I can put away all my stuff. So I'll leave all the places linked down below. If you're interested, I don't have any coupon codes, but they'll be linked down there. I'm sure other people, like I use Marla Chris's coupon code to save 15%. In Sparkle & Co, you can use my code and save. If you sign up, you get an $18 credit. And I get an $18 credit. If you just use my name in the referral box to make a purchase, you'll get a $9 credit to be used on the site. So, and I do too, so it's a win-win. And then you get if you sign up for the sub bag, then you get your own coupon code too. You get your own personal 20% off code, and then anybody you refer, you get, it just keeps giving and giving and giving. So yeah, that's it. I'll leave everything linked down below, and thanks for spending this time with me. I'm sorry we're at 20 minutes right now, right when I said that. So, like, subscribe to all that YouTube crap, and I might speed this up so it might be in Maniology voice. Bye, guys.